Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. Today I am here not to explain any chemistry regarding NEET. But you know that you have NEET exam is on September 13th. From tomorrow, that is 31st of August, till 12th of September means you have 13 days left. What should be your attitude in these 13 days? That I am going to discuss in very short time. Yes, see the video till the last second. Yes, you may have seen my thumbnail, today's thumbnail, that is FCC formula. I am not going to discuss about face-centered cubic lattice, what you have learnt in solid state chapter of chemistry. Remember here F means I am going to discuss about first point, focus. F means, remember, focus. What you have to focus? See, definitely just 2 years back, if you remember, if you go through, after finishing your 10th, even though you have not don't know about these difficulties or what is science syllabus, what type of exams you have to face after second PUC to become a doctor, you have said so many times to so many persons, those who have asked what you want to become in your life, you have said it very easily, I want to become a doctor, right? It's a noble profession. Remember, you can save thousands of lives. But, and in these 2 years, you came to know that it is not the walk on the cake. It is not the easy thing. And remember, definitely you have done everything into it. So many nights without the sleep, you have read and you have prepared for your NEET exam. Hence, my suggestion is, in these 13 days, remember, don't leave your focus. So you have to focus on your aim, what you want to become. That is my first formula for the success in these 13 days. Remember, that is focus on your aim. Because nobody will ask you what you have done till today, but everyone are waiting for your result. Remember that. And this is the time, without leaving or losing your focus for remaining 13 days, you have to prove yourself with best results. And remember, you have that ability, you have to prove that. Today's second point of success, remember, that is C. In case of FCC, F is over focus. C means confidence. Atmavishwasa irbeku. So you have to be confident on yourself. Don't worry whether the paper will be easy, paper will be difficult. Because of this lockdown, paper may have been difficult. So by thinking all these things, remember, definitely you will lose your confidence. But my suggestion is, remember, not only you are writing your exam, and in your college, thousands of students, they are writing the exam. Remember, my dear students, total 15 lakh students are writing the exam. More than that, maybe, approximately, I told. Out of 15 lakh students, you are one of them. Which means whatever it will going to happen to all those 15 lakh students, and the same thing it is happened to you also. Which means I am talking about the difficulty of the paper, or the some concept may be out of NCERT. All these things you may have filled in your mind. Remember, those things will decrease your confidence. So because of that reason, my second important strategy in case of FCC in these 13 days is that confidence. You have to be more confident on yourself, because you know you have prepared for a lot for this. And you are waiting for that 13th September date and to produce your abilities in the form of whatever you have read. It is in the form of answers in the exams. In these 2 years, you have prepared well. Remember, some of you may have got a good rankings in KCET, or you may have not got the good ranking in KCET, but you are waiting for this NEET exam. You want to become a doctor. Because of that reason, remember, you have to be confident on yourself. Whatever you have read till today, if you have confidence, definitely you can remember these things in your exam. Remember, if you lose the confidence, Generally what happens is those things will collide in your mind, those doubts, what may happen in the exam, all these things. Don't worry about all those things. Be confident, be focused on your aim. And the third C in the FCC, that is, you have to be cool. Remember, you have to be very cool in these 30 days, which means you should not allow any type of anxiety to yours, near to you also. Remember, you should not allow that anxiety, which means atanka annodi irlebardu. The reason is, remember, whenever you are in the ground state, remember in chemistry we know that ground state is the lower energy state which is more stable, correct? So hence I am going to tell you, you should be in the ground state. Don't be excited, don't worry about the result. Remember, when you will lose your coolness, or you can say when you have that anxiety, is that when you think about the result. So definitely everyone will think about the result before doing that thing. That is the mistake what we are doing in our life. So do your 100%, give your 100%. You are more dedicated to yourself, towards your studies, everything is right. Then why you worry about the result? Whatever it may be the result. Generally what happens is, now you will start thinking, if I will get very less rankings, whether will I get the good seat in the college, the desired college where you want to do the MBBS or dental, all these things you will think. But my suggestion is, the day on 13th September when you finish your exam, you start thinking about all these things. Nobody will tell you that don't do these things. But now in these 13 days, my dear students, please don't discuss this thing about your friends also, with your friends also, with your parents also. Remember, only focus on your studies. Be confident and be cool. At least daily for 10 minutes, close your eyes and just come to the ground state. Dhyana madi. That is very important. Meditation is very, very important. Remember, my dear students, to cool your mind. So these are the three things. FCC, remember, my dear students, focus on your aim or the goal to become a doctor. Confidence on yourself. You have to be very confident so that you can crack any type of questions in the exams, of it may be physics or chemistry or biology. And the third thing is, you have to be cool. So my suggestion is, follow these FCC strategy in these 30 days and achieve your goal. Thank you. Have a nice day.